Yes, that's why I make wonder whether to allow Dengvaxia or not. Ako, I'd rather go on the side of science. If nobody would believe me, still I would say that if there's anything there in the Western medicine and even itong mga herbal ng Oriental, if it would mean saving people's lives, I'll go for it.
You want to use Dengvaxia again?
Walang nakikita ko may epidemic eh. So, yung gustong magpabakuna, kasi ang anak ko dumaan ng vaccine eh. She had the vaccination.
Is that a yes? Is that a yes?
Hindi ko nga pamalaman. I have to hear mga, yeah.
But are you open, sir?
Yes, I am open to the use of Dengvaxia again. Maraming patay na. It's an epidemic. Now, compare it with vis-a-vis with those who died. I want to hear the words of the experts, doctors. And we have enough bright people here to tell us. I do not need foreigners to telling me. My own Filipino scientists and doctors would tell me what to do. I will be guided by their announcements.